Okay, the exercise is the roll up, the setup. You guys are gonna be obviously laying down on your back, looking up at the ceiling. You wanna keep your feet hip width apart with your feet flexed towards the face. Let's go ahead and ask Nicole to bring her arms directly above her chest. Now from here, you wanna turn the palms away from the face. You wanna set your shoulders into the mat. The reason being is you guys wanna control that whole upper part of the shoulder girdle. Now, for the movement, you wanna take a nice deep inhale. And as you exhale, you wanna tuck the chin to the chest and roll all the way up. As she rolls up, what she's trying to do is take her nose all the way to her knees. So you guys are gonna feel a nice long stretch in the lower back. You don't wanna stretch from here. So you wanna set that back and you wanna stretch from your abs. So you get a nice long stretch in the lower part of your back. Now, as you guys roll back down, remember it's one vertebrae at a time. So it's a slow roll. And it can be just as much work on the way down as it is on the way up. So I'm gonna ask Nicole to do one more. So a nice deep inhale and tuck the chin to the chest, exhale. And what she's doing from here is she's driving that navel to where I'm tapping here. So she's really pulling back in her abs and she's getting a nice long stretch. Make sure you guys flex your feet away from the body and you guys will feel that on the back side of the legs.